Welcome renewing parking permit holders. To secure your parking permit, sign on to the parking account portal at arizona.amesparking.com. Click Login in the top right corner of the screen. Choose UA NetID login and log in using your NetID credentials. Select your permit location. Select the Add Vehicle button and enter your vehicle information as required. Select the Confirm button and select the Add Permit to Cart button. Once in the cart, follow the prompts to submit final payment. Select a check mark to indicate I have read and agreed to the terms of service above. Select Checkout. Your permit has now been renewed. A receipt will be emailed to your university email address to confirm your renewal was successful. If you have any questions, call 520-626-7275.